come and make an oval interchangeable conquering with me. First, we're going to use the original formula from Resin Rockers. We're going to place our oval bezel down onto our stay put mat, add a little bit of resin, add a little bit of heat until it levels out, and cure for 60 seconds at 36 watts on both sides. This will give us a nice glass-like back so we have some time to work on our florals. Add a little bit of resin to a cup, put your florals in. I'm using a little foliage and a little flower. Soak them in resin, and we're going to use some pigment flakes to add a little bit of dimension to the bottom of this bezel. This is really going to allow this piece to pop. Add your foliage, add your flower, add a little bit of heat to get rid of any surface bubbles, and then to top it off, we're using some stardust at the bottom, which will make it very shimmery and beautiful. Cure for 36 seconds, add a top coat, and we are going to use the MagicCure lamp to titrate our wattage up. Start at 6 watts and work your way up to 36 watts and cure for 60 seconds to finish it off. These are simply beautiful.